everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a wig review. I purchased a curly human headband wig from Temu and I only paid $28 for it. I'm going to be doing a review on it. Coming straight out of the packaging, the hair was very soft and pretty. It did have a slight chemical smell to it, so I am going to be washing it before I wear it. I'm using the Mael shampoo and conditioner to wash this wig. The first thing I'm going to be doing is going to be wetting it and let it become saturated with water. I'm basically treating the wig like it's my own hair, which I feel like you should do anyways because it is human hair. So I'm going to go in with some conditioner and detangle first, making sure that there's no knots in the hair. Next, I go in with the shampoo and I really make sure to shampoo the hair and also the headband itself. I make sure to shampoo that very well. And then after that, I rinse it out and use my hair towel to dry the hair. I also want to mention that this hair did not shed that much. I'm about to show you guys right here. This is how much hair shedded from the wig, which is not a lot, so that's really good. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm using the Mael, again, the Mael Ginger one, and then I used a lot of body hair mousse, and then lastly, I'm going to go in with my rosemary hair growth oil to put that on top. So I basically just apply all these products in that order, and y'all, I don't have a wig stand, so I just put my wigs on my doorknob. I know that's kind of weird, but that's the only thing I could think of. After I've applied all the products, I'm just going to take my diffuser and diffuse the hair until it's about around 50% dry, and then I'll let the rest air dry. This is what the hair looks like after it's fully dried, so I'm ready to put it on. It's so cute. The curls are so soft and bouncy. as you guys can see. So for my hair, I basically just washed my hair and I put it into braids, and I'm taking my aloe rosemary hair growth oil and I apply it all over my scalp and in my hair to keep my hair nice and moisturized underneath this wig. I have a video coming out after this one about the aloe vera rosemary hair growth oil, so please stay tuned for that as well. I'm taking a black wig cap and I put it on and I tuck my hair underneath the cap. Headband wigs are so easy to put on, so you literally just slide it on and basically just adjust it to your comfort. This wig does have combs on it, but I don't like to use those because it kind of makes it a little too tight. So I didn't use the combs this time, but all I did was attach the Velcro strap together and it was pretty secure with just the Velcro strap. I didn't have to use any combs. So now I'm just doing my edges. I use I think it's called Easy Care Braid Gel. This is really good. I actually like this one better than the Shining Jam one. It's coconut oil and rosemary. It has a really great hold to it as well. So that's what I'm using to do my edges. You can leave your edges out. You don't have to have your edges out. I just feel like it looks better on me with a little bit of edges left out and sleek down. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, I'm taking some water and I put it on top of my hair because it was a little bit frizzy on the top, so that just kind of helped to lay the hair down on the top. But that's basically it. This wig is so cute, and you guys are gonna hear the rest of my thoughts at the end of this video. Y'all, I just want to come out here and say how surprised I am with the quality of this hair. Like, it is so soft after washing it and putting in my own products. Even before I washed it, coming straight out of the package, the hair was so soft. It did have just a tad bit of like a smell, so that's why I went ahead and washed it. But for $28 on Temu, it's a deal. Like, this hair is so pretty and so long. I got a wig from Amazon like this, except for it's short. I did a video on it about almost 2 years ago on my channel. That wig was human hair. It was the same headband wig as this one, but it was shorter. It was about like right here. It was like 16 inches or something, and I paid $54 for that one. And I got a 20-inch human hair headband wig from Temu for only $28. Now, I did try to go back and look at my order, and it says that the wig is out of stock, so I'm not sure when they're going to be able to get more, but just keep going back, check in to see if they have this wig, because if you like wigs like this, like headband wigs, these are so easy to throw on and wear and so comfortable. Can I mention that, how comfortable this headband wig is? It's literally so comfortable. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. So if you guys really do enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Like, I'm like 100 off, I think. So if you could help me out with that, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I got more videos coming out. Without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.